Making key lime pie cookies. It's your job to mix that.
My duty. So my parents are coming into town this weekend, so the house is spotless. You're getting a little house tour later in this video. We gotta make their favorite key lime cookies. It's kind of a process.
Labor of love.
This thing is not mixing.
I think you're gonna have to get in there with your hand.
Dough is complete.
Ready to go in the fridge. Chill for as long as possible. Makes it chewier.
Now we got some errands to run. The 2010 Xterra is slowly dying on me. I got it checked, camshaft position sensor, so that's what I'm getting.
Get in the zone, auto zone.
Piece acquired, 140 bucks down the drain. Fixing it's gonna be a whole nother ordeal.
To fix it or just get a new car?
Yeah.
I mean, that thing is 15 years old.
134,000 miles on it. She's ready. All right, we're gonna start in the kitchen area, starting out with little bar stools, some good Amazon finds, a little catch-all bowl with our key, wallet, B12, some good energy, flowers that is always stocked. This is my workstation, always cleaning them dishes. Got a big candle, always rolling. We've gone through a ton of candles. Toaster, spatulas, oven, everything you need in the kitchen really. In your favorite corner over here, your coffee corner. Breville makes coffee every morning.
Best gift ever.
It's pretty fun. We got all of our magnets everywhere we've been. Italy, Dubai, Melbourne, San Diego, Nashville, Great Barrier Reef, Arizona, Big Sky, Vail. All of it right in here. All of our memories on the fridge. Small pantry, nothing much about this pantry. Onto the garage. Nice big 2-car garage. Got the EA carts. Make sure you stay tuned. We're giving that away very soon. Pretty much garage, bunch of storage. What are you freaking laughing at?
Pretty much garage. Pretty much garage.
I mean, well, there's nothing to say about it. Just chuck your junk in there. Very cool feature about the house, half bathroom down here. So you don't have to go all the way upstairs to go to the bathroom. Your guests don't have to use your personal bathroom. Very nice. Not sponsored, but could be. We have a skylight on the wall. It's incredible. It tells us our whole meal plans. So this is what we're eating this week. Also, your little grocery store list, your calendar syncs with your Google Calendar so you're always updated. Moving on into the dining room. Our dining table, nice dark brown on dark brown chairs. Gallery wall that we built. I like it. Add a little mirror in there. This is all of our memories as well, places we've been. Some are just random prints, but most of them are places we've been. This is a new item. We're not sure if we want this item there. It's kind of just to place in this weird white space. Holds our towels. This is a really cool piece we found at Home Goods. It's like a console bar table, I don't really know. We stained it. This was the original color. Went for a little stain to match this darker vibe over here, and it turned out really good. Actually, you couldn't even tell that it stained. Big old plant, love this thing. Big plant guy, this was a great find. Backyard, not much to it. Just a nice little backyard. We don't have any outdoor furniture or anything yet. Moving on to the living room area, we got the little L-shaped couch, very comfortable living spaces. Left down table, 75-inch TV. It's incredible. Once you go to this big of a TV, you're never gonna go back. Switch that we never play.
Don't give me a dead stare.
And that's pretty much everything for the downstairs. Can't forget our dog bowls for our dog, obviously, that we have, because we don't have a dog. Now up to the upstairs area. 4 bedrooms up here. We're gonna start out in the guest room. We don't really have this decorated very much just because we're never in it. It's a guest room. Then that comes with a full bath as well for the guest whenever they stay. Pretty standard toilet, shower, all they need. This is my baby, the office. I took the biggest room, other than the master, of course. She wouldn't let me have the master, to make this my office. So come on in. Got it nice, lit, and this is pretty much it. It's still a work in progress. We're getting there. Got me a nice big old whiteboard. Got some decorations finally up. And then this is my favorite part, is this nice equipment closet. It's away from everything, so I have nice clean space out here. And then this is where all the equipment is. So as you can see, I got shelving, all the cameras, all of our equipment, batteries, just miscellaneous stuff kind of just chunked in here. And obviously got my gnome collection up here. If anyone wants a gnome, there's always a price.
I was just thinking you should say it. Let me know.
Let me know. Computer setup. I run on a laptop Mac, so I just plug it into 2 monitors. 10-foot long desk that I got at Home Depot. I just drilled in some legs and it works great. Has some nice space. Now we're gonna move on to your office.
Freaking sweating. I'm glad to have a break. My arms feel like jello. All right, into my office, the better office. I have an L-shaped desk, which has been amazing. That was Cole's recommendation, kind
You're
of.
welcome.
And so I have all my work on this side, and then I make everything over there. Have some pin boards of everything that I'm creating right now, and got printer, Cricut, all that stuff back there.
Pretty nice.
It's a pretty good
Good
office.
little space.
My little chair that I've so far sat in once.
I've sat in it a few times.
Yeah, it's your chair.
And the last room, the master room, king bed, side tables, lamps. We still need to find a big old art piece for the back of this, but it's not that big a deal. TV, we got the mini HomePod. Love this thing, it's so good. Big closet that I get overrun by. And then pretty standard bathroom, 2 sinks, that's nice. Big walk-in shower. But yeah, that's pretty much the house. I love it. Now we go to finish the cookies, pick up my parents, and have a good weekend. That's the house. Make sure to hit the smash button. Make sure to go follow the Instagram so you keep up to date on everything that I'm doing. And thanks for watching. Let's go finish these cookies.
Now we make the filling for the cookies. The best part, possibly. Oh, the condensed milk. I feel like I had to have kept it. Oh, there it is. Oh, thank goodness. Beautiful. 2 tablespoons sweet condensed milk. It says 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, so I'm just gonna cup powdered sugar. The filling. Getting dough all up in the ring.
Greatest cookies ever.
What a statement. They're
Yeah.
so good. They're so chewy.